product for you guys. I am going to be reviewing the Nykaa Bath and Body range in the variant French Lavender. If you don't already know, I am the face of French Lavender. So I will leave a link in the bottom bar where you can see the Nykaa Bath and Body range video, and you can see me as the French Lavender girl as well. So I will be reviewing all three of the products. I also have like a giveaway in the end of the video, so please keep on watching till the end to know how to participate in the giveaway. So I will start by reviewing these products. These products are obviously exclusively available only on Nykaa.com. I will obviously leave another direct link in the bottom bar so you can go ahead and purchase these directly. Now I wanted to clarify one thing before I start the review. No matter if I'm the face of anything or even if it was like my own product, I would never ever trade my honesty for anything in the world. I would tell you honestly what I feel about these products. I won't sugarcoat it. I won't just like disillusion you guys, because your trust cannot be traded with anything in this world, and I realize that fact, and I don't want to trade it for anything in the world as well. So I will honestly give you my feedback for these products and what I feel about them. First of all, I do feel the packaging could have been amped up a little bit, but they are giving an extremely huge quantity at the rate which they're selling it. The competitors of the same price range have way less small quantities than this. So if you're someone who doesn't want to look at the packaging but only wants to look at the quantity of something and want to have full value of money from the product and not from the packaging, then these are extremely good for you. As for me, I'm a mix of both. Sometimes I want my product to be the outstanding thing, and sometimes I feel I need something, pretty on my vanity. So I'm a mix of that person. But if you are someone who is looking for something that is good in quantity and will last you for a really long time, then these products are genuinely really good. The best thing about this whole range is that the fragrance is really calming, and if you know me, you know this fact, I really love a nice long calm bath. So yes, that's why I was like, lavender is my thing. Other fragrances were like fresh, bohemian. This was like the calming and everything sort of a fragrance, and that's why I was like, lavender is my thing. So yes, the fragrance of these are extremely calming. They're not overtly strong, which again is something that personally really like. I do not like perfumes or bath and body products which have extremely high strong fragrance that will like disturb your brain. It will like shake your equilibrium and will like you down, because whenever I'm walking into a room and I sense someone has a really strong perfume, the first thing I do is like So yes, I don't like when people do that for me, so that's why I try to stay away from extremely strong perfumes. I like my perfumes to be more calming, more soft, more feminine, and that is all that lavender stands for. Starting off with the body shower, this retails for 450 rupees for 300 ml of product. As I said, it's a really nice quantity. It's a big jar and you need just like a pea-sized amount. You spread it on a loofah and then just rub it on your body, and it will lather up so well. You can also add a few drops of this to your bathtub and then just like lie down for an hour or so. That's what I like to personally do as well, to be very honest with you. So just add about 3 to 4 drops. You don't need a lot, and then just lie down in your bathtub and then just like let the lavender work on you. It has calming effects, guys. I really believe that fragrances do work on you. So if you sniff something calming, you honestly become a lot more calmer, and that really helps me, because a lot of times I get overstressed really quickly with the tiniest amount of things, and that's why I like the calming element of it. I'm not sugarcoating it, I'm not promoting it. It's just how I am, and that's how you would have seen me in other videos as well. So yes, that's why I really like this body shower gel. You don't need a lot of it, you just need a pea-sized amount, and that's it. That's why I've used this much in a week, because you need this much. So that's what I feel about this body shower. It does make you smell good, but that smell good factor will last only for an hour if you do not pair it up with the other things. So yes, if you want something that is calming, that is nice, and you want it to be value for money, this is really good option to go for. Coming to the body lotion, the best thing about this body lotion that I feel is the texture. The texture of this is extremely light, guys, so it's perfect for summers because it won't feel sticky on your hand. It gets absorbed so quickly. The formulation is beautiful. When I first tried it, my first reaction was, wow, that got absorbed real quick. I tried it for the first time, I think, while I was in Alibag, and that was definitely my first reaction, that this gets absorbed really fast, but I need to check if it's hydrating enough or not. It is hydrating as well, which again is the best thing. It's not moisturizing, but it's hydrating. So it would restore your water level in your body, and it would make your skin feel really soft and supple. It would make it feel plump. So that's again something that I personally go for rather than moisturizer, simply because moisturizers seem to sit sit on your body a little heavy, which I do not like at all because I feel my skin is getting sticky and everything. And then I especially tend to skip a moisturizer in summers because I feel my skin is like weighed down by them. But because the texture of this is so lovely, I am definitely going to use this all summer long. Again, the fragrance of this would last on your body for about 2 hours if you do not pair it up with the shower gel. If you do pair it up with the shower gel, this will be good to go for 3 to 4 hours. Yes, I have tested it both ways because I wanted to give you like an overall, what do you say, review. So yes, this retails for 500 rupees for again 300 ml. The nozzle is the generic twist to open, twist to close nozzle, so it won't have leakage once you have it on stop. It won't like pump down, but once you open it, it would pump down easily, which I'm not pumping down because the product would go like whistle, whistle, whistle. And I don't want that to happen because this right here is my baby. And lastly, coming to the fragrance mist, this retails for 700 rupees for 250 ml. As I said, the packaging could have been a little better for the pricing, but the quality of this product is really good as well. What I do feel about this fragrance is, again, it's extremely calming, so I really like the fragrance. I really like to wear the fragrance and I drop the cap. Why do I always drop things? Why? So yes, the fragrance is really calming. I have again used this in Alibag and then I have been using this for a week. What I personally feel is the fragrance lasts on your body for 4 hours if you do not pair it up with the other products, which is what a mist is supposed to be. A mist is not a perfume, it's not an eau de toilette or eau de parfum, which is supposed to last for a longer time on your body. This is not a concentrated formulation. This is supposed to be diluted and supposed to make you calm and feel good about yourself. So this will stay on your body for about 4 hours, after which it does like tend to like fade away. But if you do pair it up with the other products, this will stay on your body. I recorded the time to be about 6 hours. What I generally love to do is like just before bed I spritz it on my pulse point, so it like relaxes me down, and the calming lavender fragrance helps me get a better sleep. That's what night mists are supposed to do. You're supposed to like spritz them on your pillow and on your pulse points before sleeping so they would calm you down. So this can like act up as a double thing for you. If you are someone who has like problematic sleep like me, then you can definitely spritz it before bed and it would calm you down because the fragrance is extremely calming. And if you want to use it in daytime, you do you. You can use it in daytime, you can use it whenever you want to. So yes, that is my review for the fragrance mist. All in all, being completely honest, I do really like this range for the quality of the product. The quality is top notch, guys. Everything has been formulated with so much love. It's not tested on animals, so it's vegan friendly. It's just really good, okay? Still, I do believe the packaging could have been amplified a bit, and I do hope that Nykaa plays up with the packaging in the future. So yeah, that is my complete review for the French Lavender Bath and Body range. Now coming to the giveaway, I have one set for you guys which is still bubble wrapped and sealed, so it's new. You can win this. You can win this. So to enter this giveaway, let me think of a nice question. I didn't think this through earlier, which is quite stupid of me because... Okay, so to win this giveaway, all you have to do is A, be subscribed to this channel, B, comment below. But what will you comment below? So yes, comment below why French Lavender is the perfect fragrance for you all, and that is it. You will be entered to win this giveaway. This giveaway will end in about 2 weeks. I will announce the winner after 2 weeks, and yes, you can win the complete set along with the loofah, which is like a special edition in this kit. So yes, if you want to participate in this giveaway, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel and comment below why French Lavender is the perfect fragrance for you. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this review was helpful for you all, and you do go out and buy this variant because I really like it. It's been like a very proud thing for me to do, but I still wanted to be completely honest with you, and that's like my out and out completely honest review for you all. So yes, I hope you will purchase these. These are extremely good. I promise you guys you won't be disappointed by them. And I will see you super soon. Till then, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, which I would link in the bottom bar for you all. And I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.